Hello everyone, PC Mentor is here. In this video, I am going to explain why and how the problem related to MSVCP140.dll can arise. For instance, a faulty application, MSVCP140.dll has been deleted, removed or misplaced, corrupted by antivirus present on your PC or a damaged Windows registry.